check through, and if you are interested, buy the shares or maybe the debentures. It is issued for both, for the shares also and for the debentures also. So a company can sell the shares or the debentures only and only by issuing the prospectus. Now, when they are inviting, there is a condition. What's the condition? That this invitation should be sent, or this invitation must be made available only after the company has obtained either the certificate of incorporation or the company has been already registered. Registration अगर हो गया है, certainly certificate of incorporation तुम्हें मिलेगा. So trading certificate या certificate of incorporation या registration, when all these things are happening, again इसमें एक clause है that we'll later see into. But if a company has its commencement of business certificate, certificate of incorporation, only then it can invite people that please do come, please do buy the shares, and please do buy the debentures of our company. Is this clear to all my beautiful and handsome students? Yes or no? Quickly, quickly, quickly. इतना कम percentage. Come on. Guys, not even 50%. This is so sad. Okay. Yeah. So I'm inviting people that please buy the shares or the debentures of my company. I am inviting them only and only after having a certificate of incorporation available with me, which also it's about registration, which is done, and this document is called as prospectus. With this, we move on to the quiz now, and tell me, prospectus is an invitation to the public to purchase the shares or the debentures of the company. क्या ये बात सही है? टाड़िंग 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 टाड़िंग. शालिनी, मार्टिना, Mohammad Shakil, why are you giving me for such simple questions such beautiful wrong answers? जब पूरी क्लास का पढ़ना भारी है तो तुम काहे भीड़ को छोड़ छाड़ के अकेले जा रहे हो? अकेले जाओगे तो गलत है ना भाई. It's true. There's nothing to be explained here, by it's a simple sentence, it's a simple statement, and it is true. I'm not finding anything that I need to explain out here. Now let us take some technicalities about the prospectus. See, we are a student, and student is not going to get marks for his knowledge. He will get marks for what he is put on the paper, what is written there. So, what are you supposed to write when you are supposed to talk about a prospectus? This becomes important. So, if you get a question for 1 mark, what do you mean by prospectus? So then what you need to first write is this पूरा content. बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है ना? If you note it down in your notebook, तो 3 या 4 लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं होने वाला है. Let's read what it is. So as we know that all the joint stock companies are registered under Indian Companies Act. So this document is important for formation of a company. So this document will also be defined by Indian Companies Act. समझ में आया क्यों Indian Companies Act is defining it? Yes. नहीं तो usually people don't know only why is it defined. And then they're like, I don't know. Teacher, it was there in the textbook. I learned it. But why is it there that Indian Companies Act is actually talking about it? Because all the companies which are formed as a joint stock company, be it a public limited company or a private limited company, it is registered under this only. And hence the documents required would also be registered under Indian Companies Act. What is this talking about? It states that prospectus is nothing but any document. So it's not something which is verbally said, it is a document which will describe or which will talk about. So any document described or issued as a prospectus which will include any notice, that is any information, which will include any circular. स्कूल में notice and circular हमने दोनों ने देखे हुए हैं, आपने भी और मैंने भी. It might have any advertisement coming up that okay, we are having some shares or some debentures made available, come kharido kharido, or any other document which is inviting. This document is explicitly for inviting the deposits from public or inviting offers from the public for subscription. Majorly, this is important, which means when I say subscription, it simply means nothing but purchasing of the shares or debentures. किसके? Common sense. एक corporate company के, because a corporate company is a joint stock company. So एकदम मोटा मोटा समरी करेंगे. It's a document. Okay, this document is basically either a notice, or it can be an advertisement, or it can be a formal document, it can be a circular which is specifically designed for inviting the people. And why am I inviting people? It's not my birthday party, neither it is yours. So why am I inviting? I'm inviting them to buy, to invest in the deposits. Which kinds of deposits? So they will subscribe for the shares or they will subscribe for the debentures. Is this clear to all of you all? Come on quickly, no guys. Jaldi jaldi karo na. No, Rahul, this was clearly told that this session would be conducted in English. CTs, please ask them whether they were informed or no. And most importantly, I at the beginning clearly stated that I will not be explaining the concepts in any other language, yet I am trying to use some other language के words. मैं बीच बीच में फिर भी हिंदी use कर रही हूँ, but ये explicitly आप लोगों को कहा गया था कि this is going to be for 11th standard students who are studying in English medium. Because at the end of the day, you are writing your exam in English language only. Am I right? On the poll. Am I right? Didn't I make it clear to you all? And will this be helpful to you all? Yes or no? Fast, fast. Fast. Why do these people don't answer, Baba? Chalo, great. Let's move ahead. Now, prospectus has certain objectives behind it being issued. Why was that company, that construction wala, building wala company making the brochures? Why is this corporate company having a prospectus? Because there are certain reasons. Reasons bole to objectives. What are the objectives? First, they want to inform the people. What? That हम company है, हम exist करते हैं, हम हैं. That also needs to be informed. No, unless and until you do not inform, how will they get to know? So when a prospectus is issued, when a prospectus is released or advertised, लोग देखेंगे, लोग पढ़ेंगे, and people will get to know, अच्छा, this company is there क्या, जिसके हम शेयर्स खरीद कर इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसके डिबेंचर्स खरीद के हम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. So the prospectus will induce. What do you mean by induce? Induce is provoking the people, or you can say convincing them to buy the shares. Induce करना मतलब सामने वाले को मनाना. किस लिए? So that we would convince them that you please buy the shares, you please invest in our company's shares or debentures. And why will they do that? Of course, because they will either trust you or they will have faith in you. But वो trust and faith कैसे आएगा? How are they going to trust you and why are they going to have faith in you? Because prospectus is that document जिसमें compulsorily authentic information company की देनी होती है. What do you mean by authentic? Authentic is the term which means all the information is true. Nothing is fake. Nothing is false. So the entire information is provided about the company. The terms and conditions for the issuing of the shares and debentures are also mentioned in the prospectus. Is this clear? So three objectives, of which one is informing the people that company exists. Dusra, inducing the people to invest in the shares or the debentures, or the debentures. Remember this. And all the information which is provided necessarily, compulsorily needs to be only and only सच्ची सच्ची. मैं गीता पर हाथ रखकर कसम खाती हूँ. That kind of thing. Have you understood? Come on, quickly tell me. अब तो मैंने गीता पर कसम नहीं गीता पर हाथ रख के